the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a chinchilla.
Chinchilla are like the fluffy, snow white band of the Andes Mountains. They have incredibly soft fur, round body, and big ear. Chinchilla are excellent jumper and dust attacker to keep the fur clean.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a capybara.
Capybaras are like the gentle, oversized rodent of South America. They have a round body, web-based feet, and love the water. Capybaras are social animals and enjoy spending time in groups near rivers and ponds.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a monitor lizard.
Monitor lizards are like the ancient, scaly explorers of the forest and savanna. They have long body and a forked tongue. Monitor lizards are expert climbers and swimmers and have keen senses.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a tortoise.
Tortoises are like the slow-moving, armored tanks of the animal world. They have a hard shell that protects them and short, sturdy legs. Tortoises are herbivores and can live for a very long time.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a serval.
Servals are like the elegant, spotted cats of the African grasslands. They have a sleek body, long legs, and distinctive black spots. Servals are excellent hunters and are known for their ability to leap high into the air to catch birds.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a praying mantis.
Praying mantises are like the stealthy, green ninja of the garden. They have long, slender body and large, spiky front legs. Praying mantises are skilled hunters and can capture other insects with their lightning-fast chase.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.